We have learned about notation of a matrix and order of a matrix. Now let us learn about equality of a matrices. Two matrices A and B are said to be equal if you want to say the two matrices are equal, they must satisfy these 2 points. The first point is they are of the same order. Number 2 point, each element of A is equal to the corresponding element of B. To understand you, I am taking 2 examples here. The first example, let us take 2 matrices, A matrix and B matrix with order 2 by 2. Here also 2 by 2. That means how many rows are there? 2 rows. The first is row, second is column. 2 rows and 2 column. Here also 2 rows and 2 column. Order is 2 by 2. Now let us check these 2 matrices are equal or not. This matrix A, matrix B. So I am giving the points, first point and second points. Let us check the first point and second points are satisfied or not. See, what is order of these? 2 by 2. This also 2 by 2. They have same order 2 by 2. The first point is satisfied. Second point, and its corresponding elements are equal. The first element is A11. What is A11 value? 2. For another matrix, A11 value is 2. The corresponding element is equal. Like that, A12 element is 3. For another matrix, A12 element is also 3. Corresponding elements are equal. Like that, equal. So these 2 matrices are equal. In example number 2, let us take 2 matrices, A matrix and B matrix. Now let's check these 2 matrices are equal or not. See, matrix A, matrix B. Let us check the first point. They have same order or not. What is order of this? 2 by 2. What is order of this? 2 by 2. The first point is satisfied. Then second point, its corresponding elements are not equal. See, what is the value of A11 for the matrix A is 3. Then A11 value of element of matrix B is 2. These 2 corresponding elements are not equal. So these 2 matrix is not equal. Let us solve some question from exercise 3.1. Question number 1, this is the matrix and we are going to find out these questions. The order of the matrix, the number of elements, write the elements of this. See, let us see how many rows are there. 1, 2, 3. There are 3 rows. How many columns? 1, 2, 3, 4. There is 4 columns. Roman number 1, in the given matrix, the number of rows is 3 and number of column is 4. The order of the matrix is, we have to write row first. How many rows are there? 3 by 4. 4 indicates the number of rows, number of column. Roman number 2, the number of elements. How many elements are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Instead of counting like this, how many rows are there? 3. How many columns are there? 4. Just you multiply the rows and columns and then you will get the total number of elements. Since the order of the matrix is 3 by 4, therefore the number of elements is 3 into 4 equal to 12. Roman number 3, write the elements A13, A21, A33, A24, A23. So let us find out A13. A13 indicates 1 indicates first row, 3 indicates third column. First row A11, A12, A13. First row and third column is how much? 19. Then let's find out again A33 is the third row and third column, third row. First row, second row, third row. third row and third column, first column, second column, third column. This is what first row and third column element is -5. Like this you find out other elements. Question number 2. If a matrix has 24 elements, what are the possible order it can have? What it has 13 elements. In this question they are asking two questions. Let us solve the first question. If a matrix has 24 elements, what are the possible order it can have? Total number of elements in matrix A is 24. So we have to find all the order pair of natural numbers whose product is 24. We have to use multiplication table. 1 into 24, 24. 24 into 1, 24. 2 into 12, 24. Again interchange. 12 into 2, 24. 3 into 8, 24. 8 into 3, 24. 4 into 6, 24. 6 into 4, 24. Other possible pair only this much. Hence the possible order of matrix having 24 elements are, this notation is the order of a matrix, not like this. See, let us represent in the form of order. 1 by 24, 24 by 1, 2 by 12, 12 by 2, 3 by 8, 8 by 3, 4 by 6 and 6 by 4, like that. So second question, what if it has 13 elements? How many elements are there? 13 elements. We have to use multiplication table. 1 into 13, 13, 13 into 1, 13. Only these two pair we got. So the possible order of a matrix having 13 elements are 1 into 13 and 13 into 1.